Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I mean, it looks like a wave 5, yeah, obviously, but I definitely still don't see any evidence that the wave 5 is over, and I still think it's going to go up to about the 155, 156 area before it actually does make a bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, the important thing to see here is that it's still making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Definitely still an uptrend. I think it needs to clearly take out these highs right here, which makes me think the 78% will not hold, and that it's actually more likely to go up to the 100%, which is around the 155 area, before we actually do get a bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, to me, it still is in an uptrend. Even on these shorter time frames, it's definitely making higher highs, higher lows. I think it's personally going to break out of this area right here, and I think it's going to head up to that 100% Fibonacci extension. So I am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, this is a very sideways market over the last couple of weeks, but I think that this was a wave A. I think this was just a very overlapping, maybe like an ABCDE or something like that for the wave B, and then this is a wave C. I think this right here was the end of a correction, and I think that this will continue to make higher highs and higher lows, telling me that I definitely want to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, even on the 1 hour time frame, it's making higher highs, higher lows. Maybe it will go down, and if it does go down, it would actually be great news for us because that would give us an opportunity to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I am for sure looking for longs, whether it makes a pullback now or whether it keeps drifting up and makes a pullback later. I have no idea. All I know is when it does make a pullback, I will definitely be ready to go long at the end of that pullback. I'm looking for three waves down, looking for impulsive up, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci retracement level, to go long again for what I think is probably a wave 5 on the longer time frames. But I still think it needs to go up to about the 155, maybe even the 156 area to finish off what I think probably is a wave 5 on the weekly and the monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked down here to the left. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.